Hello students, welcome to the channel. I am Poonam Dua from MNT Education Academy of Literature, and in past we have been doing many American novels, Indian novels, British novels, but today we are going to cover Canadian novels जो कि बहुत important है किसी भी competitive exam के लिए। तो पूरी वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिएगा, सब कुछ नोट करिएगा and let us start the video now. As I told, please take down your handwritten notes. Your handwritten notes are something that will give you the real benefit at the time of examination. Otherwise, you'll be lost in thousands of PDFs that you have collected. So please take down notes from everything, whatever you read, whatever you watch, take down your own notes. Please note down all the novels that we are going to cover today. ये सब chronological order में ही cover करवाऊंगी मैं आपको क्योंकि chronologies बहुत important है. I keep on saying this thing in all of my videos. So start करते हैं. Anne of Green Gables, Lucy Maud Montgomery 1908, The Stone Angel Margaret Lawrence 1964, Phil Business Robertson Davis 1970, Lives of Girls and Women Alice Munro 1971, Half Breed Maria Campbell 1973, The Handmaid's Tale Margaret Atwood 1985, Life of Pi by Yen Martel 2001. If I'm a little fast, you can slow down the pace of the video to note down everything that you are noticing. So शुरुआत करते हैं फर्स्ट नॉवल से. Anne of Green Gables 1908. This is a novel by Lucy Maud Montgomery. चिल्ड्रन नॉवल है ये बाय कैनेडियन ऑथर एंड इट वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1908 एंड दिस वर्क इज सेंटिमेंटल बट you can say a charming coming of age Bildungsroman kind of story about a spirited and unconventional orphan girl who finds a home with elderly siblings and became this novel actually became a classic of children's literature and led to several sequences. Next move on, The Stone Angel novel by Margaret Lawrence 1964. काफ़ी famous novel है ये and it covers all the problems that old age people face. Best known of Lawrence series of 5 novels set in fictitious town of Maniwaka, Manitoba. ये एक फिक्शनल टाउन है, मार्गरेट लॉरेंस का ही क्रिएट किया हुआ. इससे रिलेटेड आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं तो इस चीज़ को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से नोट करिए. द स्टोन एंजल टेल्स द स्टोरी ऑफ हेगर शिपली. हेगर शिपली इसके प्रोटैगनिस्ट का नाम है जो कि 90 ईयर्स की ओल्ड लेडी है, 90 एंड शी इज़ रियली स्ट्रगलिंग टू मेंटेन हर old age charm and the themes of pride and prejudice that comes from social class recur in this novel. So she is not actually able to accept that she has become that old and she does everything to escape the negativities of old age. She tries to run away from her home, from her son, from her daughter-in-law who want to send her to an old age home. So she does not accept that she has really grown this much old. नेक्स्ट वन, फिफ्थ बिजनेस बाय रॉबर्टसन डेविस. 1970 का ये नावल है और ये नावल एक्सप्लोर करता है एक नरेटर की लाइफ जिसका नाम है डंस्टन रैमसे. It is considered to be Davis' best known novel and it has been ranked as one of the finest novels by him. And the protagonist Dunstan Ramsay has a passion of hagiology. Hagiology बोला जाता है एक literature जो saint से related होता है, तो he is fond of hagiology. And this is an epistolary novel as well. The epistolary novel is conveyed in Ramsay's post-retirement letter to the headmaster of Colborne College. Lives of a Girls and Women by Alice Munro 1971. This is actually not a novel, this is a short story cycle by Nobel Prize winning author Alice Munro. और इस तरीके की novels में एक young person होता है, एक protagonist होता है जो धीरे 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 grow होता है. यहाँ पर हमारे character का नाम है डेल. Indeed, Dell matures from a child to an adult in lives of girls and women as she undergoes a series of adventures and conflicts that ultimately help her grow into a mature adult. And in these kind of novels you can say, or short story compilation you can say. The cycle serves as a coming of age story जो कि बिल्डिंग्स रोमन कहा जाता है. For Del Jordan, the protagonist, she is growing up first on the outskirts and later in the center of the city of the small southern Ontario town of Jubilee. नेक्स्ट वन हाफ ब्रेड बाय मारिया कैम्पबेल 1973 का नावल है. दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ मेमोयर्स ऑफ हर, उनकी लाइफ एज अ वुमेन इन कैनेडा एंड द सेंस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी दैट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द लाइफ. हाफ ब्रेड इज़ काइंड ऑफ एन ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल वर्क डिस्कसिंग वेरियस स्टेजेस ऑफ हर ओन लाइफ. So, Half Breed, we can say, is a very honest memoir of her experiences as a woman in Canada, and this depicts all the realities, all the hurdles, all the strictures that she faced and she overcame as well. And the story begins in 1940. Maria roamed in the rootless existence of her day-to-day jobs. Even she went into drug addiction, alcoholism, and her path strayed even near hospital doors and prison walls. Though she did not have a permanent residence, she used to stay here and there. She was involved in different kind of jobs. Even at times she became drug addicted, and she became a victim of alcoholism as well. But she overcame all these things eventually. इस ऑटोबायोग्राफी में एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट इंस्पिरेशनल कैरेक्टर है चीकम जो कि ग्रेट ग्रैंड मदर थी मरिया कैम्पबेल की, whose indomitable spirit sustained Maria Campbell through her most desperate times. Cheekham's stubborn dignity eventually led the author to take pride into her own life, and Cheekham's image inspired her in her drive for her own life, dignity, and purpose of it. Next one, The Handmaid's Tale 1985 by Margaret Atwood. The Handmaid's Tale, very acclaimed dystopian novel. Dystopia हम कहते हैं उस तरीके के novels को जिसमें कम्युनिटी दिखाई गई होती है, कम्युनिटी या सोसाइटी that is undesirable or frightening. This is quite opposite to utopian novels. So it is a dystopian novel by Canadian author Margaret Atwood, published in 1985. It is set in a near future New England in a totally totalitarian state known as Gilead that has overthrown the United States government, and The Handmaid's Tale explores the themes of subjugated women in a patriarchal society and the various means by which these women resisted and attempted to gain individuality and independence. The next one, Life of Pi, जो कि एक कैनेडियन फिलोसॉफिकल नॉवल है बाय येन मार्टेल, पब्लिश हुआ था 2001 में, एंड द प्रोटैगनिस्ट इज पिस्किन मॉलिटर, जिसको शॉर्ट में पाई कहा जाता है, पाई पटेल यू कैन से, एन इंडियन तमिल बॉय फ्रॉम पौंडीचेरी हु एक्सप्लोर्स इशूज ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड मेटाफिजिकलिटी फ्रॉम अ वेरी अर्ली एज. लाइफ ऑफ पाई, इस नॉवल पर एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत मूवी भी बनी है 2012 में. इट इज़ एन एडवेंचर ड्रामा फिल्म बेस्ड ऑन येन मैटल्स 2001 नॉवल ऑफ द सेम नेम, और इसमें बहुत सारे फेमस एक्टर्स ने काम किया था, स्पेसिफिकली द लेट इरफान खान एंड तबू. इरफान खान वॉज सच अ ग्रेट एक्टर एंड ही हैज़ रियली वर्कड well in this movie. If you really want to give tribute to his life and his work, you must watch this movie. In next video, we will discuss all the questions that can be part of exam from these particular 7 novels that we have covered today. So thanks a lot for watching our video. Continue watching our channel. Please do share and subscribe, and best of luck for your exams.